Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture of your avatar. So what you need to do is click your profile button at the top of at the top corner of your screen. Click. This is your level unlock, and you have to click the basic button. Click. This is your player profile page. So first, click your picture or your avatar picture first. Click. This is a change avatar and frame option page. As you can see, there is icon, chat bubble, calling card, avatar frame that you can unlock if your level is 100, and this is avatar picture that you can change every time. So you have to choose one of them. Feel free to choose one of them. So I choose the gorilla picture. Click show. Finish. And this is your new avatar picture. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also hit the thanks button. Enjoy the game.